Lesson 3.8, subtraction, using the standard algorithm with 3-digit numbers. And now decomposing hundreds. Let's take a look at the warm-up. A gardener has 235 seedlings to plant. In the first garden bed, he plants 72 seedlings. How many seedlings does he have left to plant? How could you calculate the answer using base 10? We can show 335 using 200 blocks, 3 tenths, and 5 ones. Then we can take away the number of seedlings he has planted. Now we have to regroup the 100 blocks to be 10 blocks. So there are 10 blocks in 100. Then we subtract 72. That is 7 tenths and 2 ones. So we have to cancel 1, 2, 2 ones, 7 tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cancel this out. So it will remain 100 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 tenths and 3 ones. 163. So we have 163. And we can also use the standard algorithm. Using these steps, writing 235 minus 72. Then 5 minus 2 will be 3, right? It will be 3. We write 3 here. Then the next step, 3 minus 7. It's impossible, so we borrow 1 from here. So this one we have 3, and bring that one here to be 13, and this remain 1. Excuse me. Then 13 minus 7, we have 6, and remain 1 here, which we have 163. Now let's go on to the workout. Using the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact difference. So what is the difference here? This will be, we can round this up to be 260, 260. So 9 minus 4 will be 5. 5 minus 2 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here will be 2, and this will be 12. 12 minus 5 will be 7, and 2. 275, not bad. Now this one, round this up to be 30. Subtract 30 from here will be 380. Now let's see the actual calculation. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 1 minus 3 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. This remains 4. Bring the 1 here will be 11. 11 minus 3 will be 8. 3 minus 0 will be 3. Very close. Round this up to 80. Subtract the 80 from this. So we have 560. Now let's see. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 4 minus 4 or 4 minus 7 is impossible. So we'll borrow 1 from here, remain 5. Bring the 1 here. and add it to this will be 14. 14 minus 7 will be 7. 5 minus 0 will be 5. So very close. Now let's do this. Add. We made this up to 90. Round it off to 90. Subtract from here. So will be 440. So let's see. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 8 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here and add it to this will be 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. 4 minus, so will be 4. Very close. Now let's go on to number 2. A zoo has these different snakes on display. We have fox snake, king cobra, bushmaster, and coach whip. Also have anaconda, green pit viper, lyre snake, and copperhead. So use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact difference in length. Remember to estimate to check that your answer makes sense. So king cobra is here 559, and coach whip would be 96. So let's write it down. 559 minus 96. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 9 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here and bring it here. Add it up to here will be 15. 15 minus 9 will be 6. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Green pit viper with copperhead. So that we have 236, and the copperhead 81. 6 minus 1 will be 5. 3 minus 8 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. Bring it here will be 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5. Then we have 1. Now part C. An anaconda will be 589 and the fox snake 65. So let's write the anaconda and 65. Then subtract. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 8 minus 6 will be 2. So we have 5. Bushmaster and lyre snake. So let's write it down. 261 minus 74. So we'll borrow 1 from here, remain 5. Bring it here, making 11. 11 minus 4 will be 7. 5 minus 7 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 1 here. Bring it here, making 15. 15 minus 7 will be 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. King cobra again. King cobra 559. And copperhead, which is 81. 9 minus 1 will be 8. 5 minus 8 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. Bring it here, making it 15. 15 minus 8 will be 7. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Now, an encoder 589 minus coach whip 96. 9 minus 6 will be 3. 8 minus 9 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here, making it 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now on to the fast finishers. Snake A is 36 centimeters long, longer than snake B. Snake C is 245 centimeters long. Snake B is 128 centimeters shorter than snake C. How long is each snake? So snake A is this longer than snake B. Snake C is shorter than is. So snake C is, we're giving snake C to be 245 long. Snake B is 128 shorter than snake C. So for B here, shorter than C. So 245 minus 128. Borrow 1, remain 3. Bring the 1 here. 15 minus 8 will be 7. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 117. So we have 117 here. Snake A is 36 centimeters longer than B. Now we know B. So longer, we add 117 plus 36. 7 plus 6 will be 13. Carry 1 forward. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have 153. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to the practice. Practice 3.8. Now let's do the estimate. Round this up to be 70. Subtract 70 from this, 7 tenths from there. So it will be 160. So let's see. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 3 minus 3, 6 is impossible. Borrow 1. This remain 1. And add the 1 here. 13 minus 6 will be 7. And remain 1. So that is very correct. Now estimate this one. Let's round this up to 50. 50 minus this will be 470, around there. So 7 minus 6 will be 1. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Add the 1 here, making 11. 11 minus 4 will be 7. And 4. Close. Round this up to be 70. Subtract 70 from here, so it will be 689. So let's see. 9 minus 3 will be 6. This is impossible, so we'll borrow 1. This remains 6. Bring the 1 here, making 15 minus 7 will be 8. 6 minus 0, 6. There you have it, folks. Now let's go to part D. The estimate, round this up to 80. 8 times subtract from this will give us 563. So let's estimate. This will be 2. This is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. Remain 5. Bring the 1 here, making it 14. 14 minus 8 will give us 6. 5. Very close. Number 2, a zoo has these 3 animals on display. We have these animals: sika deer, giraffe, serow, tiger, banteng, tapir, zebra, and kangaroo. Now use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact difference in mass. So for tiger and banteng, we have the tiger here. So the difference, don't forget we have to write the greater number first. 500 is greater than 300, so we write the 500 first. 529. Subtract the tiger, 337. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 3 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here, making it 12. 12 minus 3 will be 9. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Now, kangaroo and tapir. Kangaroo and tapir. So tapir has greater number, so we write that first. 246 minus 63. 6 minus 3. 4 minus 6 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 1. Bring the 1 here, making it 14. 14 minus 6 will be 8. Meaning 1. There you go. This will be 1. Zebra and zero. Zebra 3 tenths and 0 8 tenths. 3 hundredths. So zebra comes first because it has the greater number, which is 3 hundredths minus 82. 8 minus 2 will be 6. 1 minus 8 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 2. Bring the 1 here, making it 11. 11 minus 8 will be 3. 2 minus 0 will be 2. Sika deer and banteng. Sika deer and banteng. Banteng has greater number, so we write that first. 529 minus 45. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. 2 minus 4 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here, making it 12. 12 minus 4 will be 8. 4 minus 0 will be 4. There you have it, folks. Compare your answer with your work and do the necessary correction.